Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have 8 minus x whole square is equals to 81, and we solve this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So in the first method, we use here this nice algebraic formula, and you know that if we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So that according to this formula, first we need little bit simplifications into the given question statement. So here we move this 81 in the left hand side, and it will be written as 8 minus x whole square minus 81 equals to 0. And again we write this equation as 8 minus x whole square minus we write this 81 as 9 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now we can apply here this formula. So you see that the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So according to these two values of a and b, we apply this formula, and it will be written as, first you have a minus b, the value of a is 8 minus x, minus b, the value of b is 9, into again we have a plus b, the value of a is 8 minus x, and plus the value of b is 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need a little bit simplifications, and it will be written as 8 minus 9 equals to minus 1 minus x, and here you have 8 plus 9 becomes 17 minus x, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write 1 minus 1 minus x equals to 0, and the second case is we write 17 minus x equals to 0. From this case we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 1, and from this case we easily get the value of x is equals to 17. So these are the two values of x which we get here from first method. And now in the same pattern, we need to find, or we need to again solve this problem for the values of x. So for this we need to copy down given question statement here, and it will be written as 8 minus x whole square is equals to 81. So that from second method, we use here this nice formula. You know that if we have a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this algebraic formula, we can apply this formula in the left hand side of the above equation. So that our above equation is written as, so base of this term, this is our a and this is our b. So after applying this formula, it will be written as 8 square minus 2 times of ab. A is 8 and b is x plus b square, so b is 8 square, and this whole equation equals to 81. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you have this is 8 square equals to 64 minus 2 times of 8 becomes 16x, and plus here we have sorry, this is our x square. Okay, here we have written mistake, this is x square, and we move this 81 in the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 81, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now further in the next step we rearrange the terms, and here you have this is x square minus 16x and minus 64 and minus 81 equals to minus 17, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to we need to solve this quadratic equation. So you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, and the second method is completing square, and the third method is by applying the quadratic formula. So we solve this problem by using the factorization technique. For this, here we you multiply this minus 17 by the coefficient of this one, and we will get here minus 17. It means that we need any two numbers whose product is minus 17 and whose sum is minus 16. So we find those pair of numbers uh, whose product is minus 17 and sum is minus 16, and those numbers are minus 17 and plus 1. So you see here minus 17 plus 1 equals to minus 16, and the product of these two numbers is equals to minus 17. So it means that minus 17 and 1 is satisfied the given conditions. So here we break this minus 16 as so it will be written as x square minus this is 16x, and we write the 16x as minus 17x plus x minus 17, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we need to take common x from the first two terms, and it will be written as x minus 17, and here we take common 1 and we get x minus 17, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step, you see here x minus 17 be the common term, so that we will take common x minus 17, and we get the remaining values are x plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So we break this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 17 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 1 is equals to 0. So here you get the value of x is equals to 17, and from here we get the value of x is equals to minus 1. So these are the two values of x and y. So these are the two same answers which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step we need to verify these two values of x. So when you put these two values of x into the given equation, and we check that is this satisfied our given question statement or not. So first we copy down given question statement here, and then now we put x equals to 17 here, and we put x is equals to minus 1 here. So when you put this value here, it will be written as 8 minus 17 whole square is equals to 81. And in this case, 8 minus 1 whole square is equals to 81. And now further in the next step, we have 8 minus 17 is equals to minus 9 square is equals to 81. And we have this is minus 9 square becomes 81 equals to 81. So this shows that the value of x equals to 17 satisfied our given question statement. And now we move here in the second case, and here you have 8 minus times of minus becomes plus 1 whole square equals to 81, and 8 plus 1 becomes 9 square equals to 81. So 9 square becomes 81 equals to 81. So this also shows that the value of x is also satisfied over the given question statement. And this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.